In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create long shadow text in Canva step by step. This is one of the most popular text effects for thumbnails, posters, social media graphics, and branding designs because it adds depth, contrast, and a bold, modern look. The best part is you don't need any plugins or advanced tools. You can do this using a simple duplicate and offset method directly inside Canva. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the pro tips that make your shadow look clean and professional. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva design tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can choose any size you like, but this effect works especially well for Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, or presentation slides. Once your blank canvas is ready, go to the left sidebar and click on Text. Then click on Add a Heading. Type in the word or phrase you want to turn into long shadow text. Now, choosing the right font is very important. Long shadows look best with bold, thick fonts. I recommend fonts like Anton, League Spartan, Bebos New, or Montserrat Extra Bold. These fonts have strong shapes that make the shadow effect really stand out. After selecting your font, resize your text so it's large enough to clearly see the shadow effect once we create it. Next, we're going to duplicate the text. Click on your text box to select it. Then press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac. This will create an exact copy directly on top of your original text. Now you have two layers, the top text, which will be your main text, and the bottom text, which will become the shadow. With the duplicated text still selected, change its color to your shadow color. Usually this is black, dark gray, or a darker shade of your main text color. For example, if your main text is blue, try using a darker navy blue for the shadow. This keeps the design cohesive and professional. Now comes the key step, offsetting the shadow. Make sure you are selecting the bottom text layer. You can confirm this by slightly dragging it to check which one is moving. Once selected, use your arrow keys on your keyboard to move the text slightly down and slightly to the right. Just tap the right arrow once or twice, and then tap the down arrow once or twice. You'll immediately see a short shadow appear behind your main text. If you want a subtle effect, you can stop here. But since we're creating a long shadow effect, we're going to extend it further. Keep pressing the right arrow key and the down arrow key repeatedly. Each tap moves the shadow a little more diagonally. The further you move it, the longer the shadow becomes. For faster movement, hold Shift while pressing the arrow keys. This moves the text in larger steps, allowing you to stretch the shadow much more quickly. Continue adjusting until the shadow reaches the length you want. Typically, long shadows look best when they extend quite far, especially for bold, modern designs. If you want an even cleaner result, you can duplicate the shadow layer multiple times and align them diagonally for a smoother stacked effect. But in most cases, a single duplicated layer extended properly will give you that crisp long shadow style. Once you're happy with the positioning, click and drag to select both the main text and the shadow, then click Group in the top toolbar. This keeps everything locked together so it moves as one element. And that's it! You've successfully created long shadow text in Canva using the duplicate and offset method. It's simple, clean, and works every time. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva design guides in 2026. Let me know in the comments what other Canva effects you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.